Hi friends, I am Dr. Shelmi Anthony. Now we are going to discuss about one of the neural disorder, Parkinson's disease. It is a condition in which one loses the ability to execute smooth and controlled movements. Cerebral dopamine depletion is the hallmark of Parkinson's disease. It is a degenerative disorder of the central nervous system. This is named after an English doctor, James Parkinson, who published the first detailed description of the disease in 1870. Parkinson's disease is most common in the elderly people, with most cases occurring after the age of 50. It affects both men and women. Neuroimaging test being used for the confirmation of this disease. What is the cause of this Parkinson's disease? Certain nerve cells in the brain have dopamine as the neurotransmitter. These type of neurons are known as dopaminergic neurons, which are concerned in control of muscle movement. These dopaminergic neurons are slowly destroyed in patients with Parkinson's disease. The death of these dopamine-containing neuron cells occurs in the substantia nigra, which is a region of the midbrain. The cause of this cell death is not known. Due to the destruction of these dopaminergic neurons, that results the lower secretion of dopamine. Without dopamine, the nerve cells in these affected part of brain cannot send messages properly. This leads to the loss of muscle functions. The damage worsens with time. The major cause of the disease is widely researched. But most people with the Parkinson's disease have idiopathic Parkinson's disease, means they are having no specific known cause. A small portion of cases, however, can be attributed to non-genetic factors. Parkinson's disease traditionally has been considered a non-genetic disorder. However, around 15% of the individuals with PD have a first-degree relative who has the disease. What are the symptoms of this Parkinson's disease? Early in the course of the disease, the most obvious symptoms are movement related, including shaking, rigidity, slowness of movement, and difficulty with walking. The patient may have a mild tremor or a slight feeling that one leg or foot is stiff or dragging. Involuntary tremor also occurs when a person is resting. Non-motor symptoms are also seen, which include autonomic dysfunction, neuropsychiatric problems, which include mood, cognition, behavior or thought alterations, and sensory and sleep difficulties. In the later stage of the disease, cognitive and behavioral problems may arise with dementia. What is dementia? Dementia is the inability of a person to memorize the things and make judgment. Other symptoms include difficulty in swallowing, flowing of saliva from mouth, impaired balance and walking, a mask-like appearance, muscle ache and pain. That what is mask-like appearance? That means lack of facial expressions. Lack of expressions in the face. So these are all the symptoms in the later stage of this disease. Four motor symptoms are considered in Parkinson's disease, that is, tremor, rigidity, slowness of movement, and postural instability. Bradykinesia, that slowness of movement, is the most disabling symptom in the early stages of the disease. Its initial manifestations are problems when performing daily tasks such as writing, sewing, or getting dressed, which require fine motor control. Rigidity is stiffness and resistance to limb movement caused by increased muscle tone and excessive and continuous contraction of the muscle. Postural instability is typical in the late stages of the disease, leading to impaired balance and frequent falls, and secondarily to bone fractures. Is there any treatment for Parkinson's disease? There is no effective treatment for curing this disease, but modern treatments are effective in managing the early symptoms of the disease through the use of levodopa and dopamine. However, dopamine cannot cross the blood-brain barrier, and hence dopamine given as a drug does not directly affect the central nervous system. To increase the amount of dopamine in the brain of patients with the Parkinson's disease, L-DOPA is often given. L-DOPA, which is a precursor of dopamine, it can cross the blood-brain barrier relatively easily. Balanced diet, rehabilitation, surgery, and deep brain stimulations are the other treatments of this Parkinson's disease. Medications are available to treat non-movement related symptoms like sleep and emotional problems. Parkinson's disease is a costly disease to society. Several organizations promote research and improvement of quality of life of those with the Parkinson's disease and their families. Public awareness campaigns include Parkinson's Disease Day on the birthday of James Parkinson, April 11, and the use of a red tulip as the symbol of the disease. Thank you.